Guys, we're at my cat house. Okay, so this is his house. I made it by myself. He has this is his top floor. Yeah, he has a towel. And then he has 2 floors right down there. That's the second floor. Okay, let's bring you in. Okay, so this is his top floor. Okay, but you can't see my cat. Yeah, okay, he has a little bit of space down here. Here, he also has a little blockage, so you can't escape. And then this is the one if you want to be like happy. On. Yeah, look. It's a nice area. It's way bigger than this one though, but he likes this one better though. The top one. He likes the top floor better. Yeah, gang. Yeah, gang. Like he likes this one better. I do not know why. It's just been his favorite area. So yeah, it took me a little bit of time, like 10 minutes maybe, but I built it all of myself. Yeah, my phone sucks, so you won't be able to see every part of it. But yeah, and then he has a little bit of area to walk, and he can also. I've seen him do. Wait. Come on, I want to show them. I want to show the people. Bro, he just touched my button. Stop touching my. Hold on, I'm gonna pause it. Okay, we got him down here. Okay, come on, buddy, do it. Look, he can do it the perfect thing, and he can jump all the way back up if he really wants to. There's 2 floors. If you want to make one, get a light, and then get like some big drawers, and just get a towel and some blocks, and you can put it by your bed. Like right here, this is my bed basically. This is my bed. Okay, my phone's ringing, so bye. Hold on.